Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the best Super Shorby Toallas Absorbents, a must-have for every household. If you're tired of using paper towels or old, stinky rags for cleaning up spills and messes, then stick around as we explore why this super absorbent German chamois cloth is quickly becoming a household favorite. These extra-large Toallas Absorbents come in a pack of 10, each measuring 20 inches by 27 inches, making them perfect for tackling spills, stains, and messes all over your home. Whether you're wiping up after kids, cleaning pet messes, or drying off your car or boat, these cloths get the job done effortlessly. They are designed to be ultra-absorbent, soaking up liquids in a flash, and they dry faster than most other towels, meaning less hassle and a cleaner space for you. The versatility of these chamois is what sets them apart from your standard cleaning cloth. Not only are they great for kitchen spills, but they also work wonders in the bathroom, on windows, and even for drying pets after a bath. These cloths are made from high-quality chamois material, which means no scratches or streaks when wiping surfaces. Plus, they're reusable and machine washable, so you can simply rinse and reuse them again and again, saving you money in the long run. Another great feature of these absorbent cloths is their durability. Unlike traditional towels that wear down quickly, the Super Shorby Toallas Absorbents maintain their effectiveness over time. They hold up well after multiple washes, and their performance doesn't degrade, unlike other cleaning products that need constant replacement. Perfect for parents, pet owners, or anyone looking to keep their home spotless without the constant need for disposable paper towels, these chamois offer a sustainable, eco-friendly solution to everyday messes. And because they come in a convenient 10-pack, you'll always have one on hand for whatever cleaning task comes your way. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting, and efficient cleaning cloth, the best Super Shorby Toallas Absorbents is definitely worth considering. Head over to the link in the description to grab your pack today and start experiencing the cleaning power of these super absorbent cloths for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there.